Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a button group consisting of radio buttons. So let me open guide. First I need to create a button group, and next step I have to place the radio buttons within the group. So that's the first one, and the second one, and the third one. So we have 3 radio buttons here, and let me choose an edit text box so that the selected string of the radio button would be displayed here. Now let me go through some of the properties here. So the button group has the tag value UA button 1, and the string I'm going to change it as select an item. So I'm going to create a menu with food items here. So this is the first radio button. The tag value is radio button 1. I'm going to choose the option soup. And the second radio button 2. Let me choose sandwich. And the third one, I'm going to choose my sister's favorite dish, pizza. Now the edit text. So as usual, let me erase the string and make it blank. There you go. Now let me save this. So I'm gonna save it as a hotel menu. Now our program is generated here. Now unlike the previous cases, the callback for this button group would not be generated by default. So we have to create it from this guide. So if I right click the button group and view callbacks, we have different callback functions here. So the selection changed function, this is what we are going to use. So whenever we make a change in selection, that corresponding change has to be accessed and displayed in the edit text box. So selection changed function. Now a callback is created within our program. Now again, looking at the properties of this button group, so here's the item selection changed function, and here are the different parameters that we could use to select it. So if you look at here, these are the two important things, the H object and the event data. So the H object will provide the handles to the radio button that we selected, and the event data can be used to access the parameters from the selected radio button. Now since we have 3 radio buttons here, I'm going to create a switch case statement, switch, and I'm going to get the event data dot new value. The value I'm going to get is the tag value of the selected radio button. So we have seen the tag values in our guide, radio button 1, radio button 2 and radio button 3. So I'm going to get the tag value. I'm going to make the case statements based on that tag values. So radio button 1. Now case radio button 1. So if our selected radio button is radio button 1, I have to read the string property. The string property is where we set the names as soup, sandwich and pizza. So I need to read the string property. So handles dot radio button 1 comma string. Okay, now we have the string property. The next step would be to display the string in our edit text box. So handles dot edit 1 comma string comma A. And similarly, we have to create the other 2 radio buttons, radio button 2 and radio button 3. So that's it. So we are getting the event data, which is nothing but the tag value of the radio buttons, and corresponding to the tag values we are reading the string and displaying it in our edit text box. So let me run the code. sorry, yes, there's a syntax error here. Supposed to be another parenthesis. So let me save and run again. Right. So here another error. Let me see. Right, another syntax error. It's supposed to be event data. So there you go. When I make a selection, the corresponding selection appears in our edit text box. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much.